Yeah, first of all, thank you to WFM for arranging this video call on sustainability of India 2030. I am Mahesh Arumugum from my Regional Director of South Asia for Meinhardt Facade Technology. I am in this construction industry fraternity for last 34 years, and I'm fully serving for India for the last 16 years. See, the vision for 2030 for India is to reduce the carbon footprint to the record, because 2038 every country has a penalized for the if not meet the sustainable carbon footprint. So we have to change the construction and architecture to sustainability through a narrow approach, with a narrow to broader approach, and sustainable energy use by heating, ventilation, and cooling the system efficiency in the building. Mainly the roof contribute about 60%, and the envelopes facade area contributes about 40%. So it is a key important role for a facade industry to look into envelope thermal transfer values in terms of heating, ventilation, and cooling for the system efficiency, energy perspective, and sustainable point of view, and as well as carbon footprint. I think we have to do this material locally check, recyclable material, low volatile organic, means low VOC organic compound materials, mostly the lab or grown organic materials, and measuring sustainability standards to be updated by the Indian standards is progressively happening. And the building information modeling is coming into the trend of the building industry today, which 2030 is a vision for India to move into artificial intelligence and virtual reality by using building information modeling in all levels. And also the water usage, urban design, waste management, all these need to be addressed to meet the 2030 requirement. For example, solar panels to be integrating very aggressively in India, and India is now hitting about 20%, I believe so. And wind turbines is heavily happening in all the states, and the electricity power generation through wind turbines also happening. The main lacking in India in the households and manager areas and rural areas are the solar water heating. Mainly is required for the cold air locations, and not in all the areas, but that's a reason. But the government has to look into which location geographically in India where needs solar water heating in buildings to energy sustainability. I think we have to try to recycle materials and to innovate products from there for whatever material usage in building, new invention, R&D towards recycled material to manufacture into a building material. And also all these products should be low VOC, means volatile organic compounds, and also this material to be sustainability and with the standards within the country and globally. Further, whatever thing, the waste management is a key in India, which has to be lacking for the long term, but it has to be addressed heavily. Every city, major cities are huge developments looking from Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and these are the major cities where waste management is still not full-fledged done. So this has to be a huge impact for the urban design as well as other areas where there's a huge cost impact. So all these need to be collectively addressed, and it has to be a sustainable 2030 by reducing the carbon footprint. What the global looking for every country as a reduction percentage in 2038. See, the BIM building information modeling will push you to the 3D printing, because recently globally products and buildings are constructed through 3D modeling, but it's a long way to go for India, but it can be done because India is a country technology adaptation is very fast, so it can be done in using building information. Also, it helps for the artificial intelligence of building automation, all the waste management, energy saving, carbon footprint, sustainable point of view. This artificial intelligence also helps to some extent, and it can be monitored through and helped through other platforms with connected with all the sustainable related monitoring tools.